Your home is your sanctuary, a place for work, school, entertainment, and connection. But what happens when your internet goes down, during a storm, a power outage, or when cables get damaged? Suddenly, you're offline. No school, no work, no streaming, no peace of mind. That's why we offer satellite internet backup, a powerful solution that keeps your home connected, even when your main internet fails. It kicks in seamlessly. No wires to cut, no ground cables to worry about. Just reliable, always-on backup connectivity. Whether you're in a storm-prone area, a rural neighborhood, or just want peace of mind, satellite backup means you're never left in the dark. Protect your lifestyle. Protect your family. Stay connected with satellite backup, because your home deserves a connection you can count on. Contact us now at madgig.com, or call 855-806-6711. Learn more at madgig.com or call us today. Madgig Networks, internet that never quits.